Welcome to Sataraka Safar. Get ready to embark on a cosmic journey through the 12 signs of the zodiac as we explore the power of Mercury, the planet that governs communication, intellect, learning, and expression. In this exciting video series, we'll be diving deep into Mercury's influence on each zodiac sign, from Aries to Pisces, and unlocking how Mercury's energy affects you based on its position in the houses of your natal chart. But we're not stopping there. We'll also be exploring the incredible concept of Mercury's exaltation and debilitation, so you can fully understand how this planetary energy shines at its best and where it might face challenges. Mercury is often referred to as the messenger planet. It's the planet of thoughts, communication, and reasoning. Mercury influences everything from the way we express ourselves and process information to how we connect with others. Whether we're solving problems, sharing ideas, or learning new things, Mercury guides it all. Mercury in exaltation brings out mental brilliance, sharp analytical skills, and clear communication. Think of it as Mercury at its best, functioning like a finely tuned instrument that's working in perfect harmony with your thoughts and words. Mercury can express its highest potential when it's in these signs, making communication smooth, intellect razor sharp, and ideas flow effortlessly. Mercury in debilitation can show challenges in communication, misunderstandings, and disorganized thinking. When Mercury is in debilitation, you might find yourself feeling confused or struggling to express your ideas clearly. But this energy also has growth potential. Through introspection and adaptation, Mercury's challenging positions can lead to deep wisdom, creativity, and emotional intuition once embraced. For Pisces natives, on 11th February 2025, Mercury enters Aquarius at 0 degrees in your 12th house, making a period of deep introspection, subconscious activation, and hidden knowledge. This transit aligns with Saturn and Sun, making it a significant moment for your spiritual and financial journey. Let's break down how this transit will influence your life as a Pisces native. Mercury in the 12th house activates higher wisdom, meditation, and subconscious exploration. You may feel more drawn to spiritual studies, astrology, or metaphysical subjects. With Saturn present, there is a serious karmic cleansing happening. This is a time to let go of past burdens, negative thoughts, and unnecessary worries. The Sun conjunct Mercury enhances your insight and intellect, making your dreams more vivid and messages from your subconscious stronger. Pay attention to your intuition, it holds the key to future decisions. The 12th house rules foreign connections, expenses, and hidden wealth. If you're working in MNCs, exports, spiritual businesses, or research based fields, this transit may bring unexpected gains. However, Mercury here increases expenses, so be mindful of unnecessary spending, especially on luxury or temporary pleasures. Hidden opportunities in foreign lands or online businesses may arise. If you've been planning to relocate or expand your work internationally, this is a golden period to strategize. Mercury in the 12th house makes the mind restless and analytical, leading to overthinking, anxiety, or even sleep disturbances. The Sun Mercury conjunction may cause mental fog, making it hard to focus. Saturn's presence demands discipline in your thought process, so avoid negativity and practice mindfulness or journaling. This is the best time for meditation, yoga, and solitude. Your mental peace is more important than external noise right now. There will be some challenges and things that you will need to watch out for, such as too many thoughts may cause stress, so try to channel your mental energy into spiritual learning or creative work. Be cautious in your workplace, as Mercury here can reveal hidden competitors or workplace gossip. Be mindful of where your money goes. Avoid any kind of impulsive spending. There are some practical remedies for Mercury in the 12th house, such as donate books, stationery, or green clothing to the needy to balance Mercury's energy. Avoid unnecessary arguments or over explaining yourself. Choose silence over drama. Practice guided meditation or sleep with a journal nearby. Your subconscious may reveal important messages. This Mercury transit in your 12th house is a powerful time for inner healing, foreign opportunities, and clearing past karma. Use this period wisely and plan your next steps carefully. Protect your peace and listen to your intuition. Stay aligned with your higher purpose, and the universe will reward you. Let us know in the comments how are you feeling about this transit, any insights or experiences. Like, share, and subscribe to Sataraka Safar for accurate astrology updates. For personal readings, contact us on the WhatsApp number displayed on your screen. See you in the next video.